will find it an open book, and they will say, Ikra kitabak. Read your book. Kafa bi nafsika al-yawma alayka asiba. You alone, you are sufficient today as your own reckoner. If I know that I am being recorded, I will tell you why there is problem in many countries. The reason there is problem is people who even train their own children, they train and concentrate only on their own children. It is a fundamental error in Islam. Because if you train your children, even those who steal and are corrupt, who did they spend the money on? On their own children, Abi? And their unborn children. Ignoring who? They ignore other people's children, right? Those other children that you ignore, that you abandon, those other children who lack training, those other children who are not educated, those other children who do not go to Makaranta, or they don't go to any school, they are untrained. What will happen to them? Their hands become the devil's workshop. Yes or no? So eventually they will make life miserable for the trained children. Can we say, leave no one behind? Every one of us. Leave no one behind. This is the slogan of Islam. It is the number of children you train that you find in your book, not the number of children you give birth to. It is your work. The children you gave birth to, they are Allah's work. Did you help him to fix the hand or the leg of the child? Whose work? Which one is your own? The training, the money you spend. So don't concentrate only on yours. Help your sister's children, help your brother's children, help your neighbor's children, help your colleagues' children. The more the children you impact upon, the more the goodness you receive in your own book. Am I communicating? It is an error for you to concentrate on your mother. As you are helping your mother, Allah introduces to you a childless mother. A woman like your mother who has no child to take care of her. If you are conscious that I am being recorded, what does she become?